everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you on how to force change your name. Open F Lite or F app. Go to your profile. Add nickname. Then balik ka sa profile mo and refresh mo lang. After that, punta ka settings. Click personal and account information. Then click name. Click learn more. Find and click let us know. Here lagay mo yung nilagay mo sa nickname mo. Then provide ka ang email mo sa baba. Click send. Time check to 38 p.m. Wait mo lang, mag change. After few minutes check mo na. Time check again, it's 2:41 p.m. Done. Nakapag-force name. Kana. Thank you for watching.